So this approach has a time complexity of big O n plus n log n. And space complexity is big O of 1, since we are not taking any extra space. Time complexity because we are iterating n number of n elements, and for sorting it is n log n, so it will be n plus n log n. So this is our first approach. And we are going to comment it out. So let's use second. Same as before, we are going to declare some variables. Start will become 0 and 1 less than the size, and the last current variable is also at the end 1 less than the size. We are also going to create a vector named answer, which has n elements all initialized to 0. This condition will be while or until we reach last element. While start less than equal to 9. Now here the condition will be absolute is a function which returns the positive value. If it encounters a negative value, it will give a positive value, and if it is encounter a positive value, it will return that value. This condition is the element at the absolute starting position should be negative than the element at the end. These conditions help us to find the larger element. If we have encountered a negative element in the starting, but it is lower than the maximum element in the end, like we have encountered a 3, negative 3, whose square becomes 9, but in the end we have a 4 whose square becomes 16. So we don't have any problem. So what we are going to do is we just make the square of the last element. So that's why if copying the condition, so what we are going to do is answer current last position or last current position will become numso and into numso and Last column will be decremented and will be decremented. Else, that's not the case. The current element is -3, but we have encountered a +2 at the end. So it means that the -3 square will be 9 and +2 square will be 4. So what we need to do is we have to take the starting element. So what we are going to take is answer of last current will become nums of start. And start plus plus last curve minus. When the loop is iterated, we are in the when start is greater than end, it means we have reached already closed the last element, so we are going to return answer. So let's run in for the input. Clean the output file. Now let's go back. What we are getting is -7, -3. Sorry, that's a mistake on my part. We are going to take a new ms equal to this one, since we are returning a new. The output is 499, 49, 121, which is the same as the output we have seen before. Let's copy this second approach and let's check if it passes. We have passed the basic test case. Now let's submit for the original test cases. It has passed all the test cases, so we can say that this solution is most efficient. In this second approach, time complexity will be big of space complexity big of n. Since we are creating another space of n size and we are just iterating only once, so that's why time complexity is big of. Now let's push this code in our GitHub. Let's see where we are. So we are going to cd cpp playlist. Now we are at there. Now we will do git add git commit. We will take a message from here. The school office of training teacher. Let's check if it's done or not. Let's refresh this. You can see that it's just 20 seconds ago we have added. So that's all for this video. So please do like, share and subscribe this video so that those who are starting new for the concepts on Leetcode, they can get to know better. So Thanks everyone, and let's see you all in the next video.